Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a few minutes to pop on here and show you a little bit about Google Docs, and this may be beneficial for you in your assignment this week. I like Google Docs because it is a cloud sharing document. So, in the way that you know how to use Microsoft Word, this is Google Docs, and it functions very much the same way. You still have your font sizes, all of your options for formatting. You can pretty much do anything that Word does. It's not quite as powerful because it's a web based document, but um, you can look at version histories, which I like if you're working on a project together, which is what this unit is all about. And you can download it in a way that in a format you may need. So you can go straight from Word to PDF to a web page to anything, and even emailing it. So this is just an example. I just pulled this template up, but there's lots of different modes here. So if you don't have Word, or you're on the go and you want to access your documents or your modules, or hopefully later in the semester as you work on other projects and other classes, you'll learn that, hey, I can send edits to people and we can work on a project together without us actually having to sit down and write out things. Whenever I was working on COVID-19 stuff, when I worked at the city of Nacogdoches, we would write these press releases and we'd have to get them done really quickly. And it was always a joint release between the county and the city. And so we would literally both be writing at the same time. And so what you'll see, if you see my name up here, um, if another person was in this document, you would see their name as well, and you would each get a color and a little graphic, and then you could see the changes that they were making. And so it literally updates it in real time, which is kind of cool. So you can go from editing mode, which is basically, hey, I'm going to sit in here. It's my document. I'm going to write out whatever I want to write. I'm going to make changes. I'm going to say words. It doesn't do anything except for make the changes because you're in editing mode. You can go to suggesting mode, which is, hey, I want you to change this from 123 Year Street to my address. And it shows you what time the person made the edit, and it says their name. You can share this document. Let's say you're going to share it with a classmate. They can say, hey, great change. Thanks. Or they could ask a question, or they could say, I don't really like this. Should we use a different word? Instead of changing it back or anything like that, it's almost like a real-time conversation, which is kind of cool. You can also go in and, let's say I wanted to say, this is just dummy text, so it's just there to show you what it looks like. You can go in and add a comment. You can say, what does this mean? These aren't real words. And hit comment, and it adds it. So as you're editing a document, you could say, oh, I do like that. She's right. I need to change it. Or you can say, I'm going to edit this. I don't like this. Or I'm going to delete that comment. No good. Got to go by. When you're done with the document and you share it with somebody else, they can see these updates happening in suggesting mode in real time. And they can go through and X, or if you check it, then it accepts the change and removes whatever you asked it to remove. So pretty cool thing. I hope you learned a little bit, and you can use this week in your case study. You can also use Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, it's called Track Changes. It functions exactly the same way, but I just wanted to show you all this because it may be something you're a little bit unfamiliar with. So thanks for tuning in. Bye.